Hi everybody, my name is Kelly Bissell. I'm a Corporate Vice President of Microsoft Security. And I'm here with my good buddy Sean to share the news about our exciting collaboration between Microsoft Incident Response and PwC.
Thanks, Kelly. I'm Sean Joyce, PwC's Global Cybersecurity and Privacy Leader. And today we're going to talk about how we're building a successful global alliance by expanding our joint incident response capability. This new market-leading collaboration creates a unique blend of expertise. First, Microsoft responds to an incident with world-class threat intelligence, complemented by PwC's threat intelligence. Second, Microsoft has an unequaled understanding of a company's infrastructure. Who better to help you fix your environment than Microsoft? Third, the PwC team helps companies with incident reporting, crisis communication, and a recovery strategy that includes continued remediation and making sure your business processes and systems are up to date. It truly brings an unparalleled, world-class integrated team.
And look, I think there's no better team, because if you look about Microsoft and what we do around the environment and customers' environments around the planet, and what you do around industry, regulation, and the really important fine-tuned operations of a customer, it's unmatched.
I would agree. And when you look at the years that Microsoft has responding to incidents, if you look at the telemetry that they collect every day, right? I look at the collaboration between our teams as something unique with a global footprint. As you know, we're in 152 countries. I think you're in all the countries we're in, so it really makes that partnership global and I think unique that we can offer to our clients.
Well, on top of that, I think the bottom line is our clients are much happier, because when they are in an incident, there's no two better coming to the table with our strengths to be able to help them recover from that breach and get back to normal operations so they can be resilient.
Absolutely, and I think, we hear that word resiliency all the time, but that's the key. How do you respond quickly? Yeah. You guys are uniquely positioned to that, and how collectively do you recover, emerge stronger? I think that's the key in success to the future.
Well, I'm excited about what we've been doing already for the last several months, but we're going to do much more together.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, very good. Thanks, Sean.
Thanks, Kelly.